Hi, God bless everyone. I'm Nova Benlot, a third-year student of North Central Mindanao College, taking up Bachelor in Elementary Education at Maranding Lala, Lanao del Norte. Today, I will show you a video tutorial about word screen elements of Microsoft Word 2010. First, you need to open the Microsoft Word. So here it is. The first element is the File tab. File tab, it contains access to the only menu in Office 2010. When you click this button, it shows the following menus, such as Info, New, Open, Save As, Print, Share, About, and Help. Next is the title bar, this area. Title bar shows the open program and the name of the open file. Next is the ribbon. Ribbon contains the commands organized in three components, such as tabs, groups, and commands. Tabs represent the activities you perform and contains related groups. The example of tabs are Home, Insert, Page Layout, Review, and View buttons. Groups are organized related commands. Group names appears below the group ribbon, this area. Commands appear within each group. Next is the scroll bar. Scroll bar is located at this area. Scroll bar, it moves the document vertically. Next is the document area, this area. Document, this is where you type your text. The insertion point represents the location where your text will appear. Next is the status bar, this area. It displays the document information, such as the number of the page on which the insertion point appears, the total number of pages, the proofing errors indicator, and the view button. Next is the control buttons at this area. They minimize, maximize, and restore and close the windows. Lastly is the zoom level and zoom slider at this area. It opens the zoom dialog box and maximizes, minimizes the view by sliding the zoom slider. So again, the word elements of the Microsoft are File, Title bar, Ribbon, the scroll bar, the document area, the status bar, the control buttons, and zoom slider and zoom level. What's new in Microsoft Word 2010? The new in Microsoft Word 2010 is the ribbon. Ribbon is the major change from Microsoft Word 2003 to Microsoft Word 2010. The ribbon displays the most common tools in a set of tabs located at the top of the window. So these are the tabs of the ribbon: the Home, the Insert, the Page Layout, Review, and View buttons. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.